Now to that major ruling by the Supreme Court that could change admissions at America's colleges.
And this morning, the High Court struck down affirmative action for college admissions. Justices ruled in favor of students challenging admission policies that take race into consideration. The case focused on two institutions, Harvard and the University of North Carolina, Chapel Hill, but the effects are far-reaching. New tonight, 10 on your side's Raven Payne is at ODU with reaction. Raven?
Well, you guys, reaction to this ruling are varied, with some applauding the High Court while others are disappointed. Both Harvard and University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill consider their applicants' race when it comes to the admission process. However, that will soon change after today's Supreme Court ruling.
Education is under attack.
Merriam-Webster defines affirmative action as the use of policies, legislation, programs, and procedures to improve the educational or employment opportunities of members of certain demographic groups. Supreme Court Chief Justice John Roberts says affirmative action violates the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment. Writing for the court, he says, quote, "The student must be treated based on his or her experiences as an individual and not on the basis of race." However, Hampton NAACP President Galen Knoyton says affirmative action is what kept our institutions diverse.
But you have black and brown families that can't afford to do that, or they have all the credentials and they still can't get in. But however, affirmative action was able to make sure that it would have a percentage of black and brown students.
She believes the decision was influenced by the thought of racism no longer being a problem in the United States.
We are not at the post-racism stage, not at all. And that's the excuse that's being used.
On the other hand, many state legislators applaud the Supreme Court's ruling. In a statement, Virginia Governor Glenn Youngkin says, "We are closer than ever before to ensuring that an individual's future opportunities are unlocked based on their potential, as opposed to simply on their race." The White House has a different view.
I know today's court decision is a severe disappointment to so many people, including me, but we cannot let the decision be a permanent setback for the country. We need to keep an open door of opportunities.
And in a statement, the UNC Board of Trustees chair says, on behalf of the people of our state, we will work with the administration to ensure that the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill complies fully with today's ruling from the nation's highest court. We're now live in Norfolk, Raven Payne, 10 on your side.